Hello. Is anyone sitting here?
Hi. No, it's free. Please, feel free to sit down.
Thanks. I'm Mark, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Mark. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Chicago, but I live in San Francisco now. How about you?
Oh, neat. I'm from Toronto, Canada.
I love Toronto. Is this your first time at this conference?
Yes, it is. I'm here to learn about new e-commerce trends.
That's great. I actually work in e-commerce marketing myself.
Really? What kind of projects do you manage?
I handle digital marketing for a software company.
That sounds exciting. Is your team based in San Francisco?
Mostly, but we also have a remote team in Europe.
Remote work is so popular now. It helps career growth.
Absolutely. It opens up so many global opportunities. What do you do in Toronto?
I run a small tech startup focused on logistics.
Wow, entrepreneurship. That must keep you very busy.
It does, but I love the challenge of building a business.
How long have you been running your startup?
For about 3 years now. We are expanding our team.
That is amazing progress. What features do you specialize in?
We use artificial intelligence to optimize delivery routes.
AI is definitely the future of technology and productivity.
Yes, it saves companies a lot of money and time.
Well, it was wonderful meeting you, Mark.
It was great meeting you too, Sarah.
Here is my business card. Let's connect on LinkedIn.
Perfect. I will send you a message tonight.
Sounds good. Enjoy the rest of the event.
Watch the next lesson on the end screen now.